How do I invest in online currency trading? Not for everybody, but for some of you now, you are open and you're saying, okay, so how do I invest? There are two ways to invest. Number one, which is always the best. Pay the price and learn. You are not so dull. There is nothing that cannot be learned. See, there's nothing called secret. There are only privileged informations. Are you listening to me? If you see people successful today, it's because they know something that you probably do not know. Are you listening to me? I wasn't born like this. None of me tell you something. We have lost millions and millions and millions of naira trading Forex. So it's not a new thing. That's why I told you the law of persistence. You must persist. As a matter of fact, let me tell you something. I didn't know anything about currency trading and about Forex. I was sleeping one time and then the Spirit of God woke me and he said, learn Forex. I will never forget it. That was what made me to begin to learn. The voice of God. So if